approximately 10,000 folks every day retire or turn age 65, and they don't know anything about how to apply for their Social Security benefits. Here we have our office here in Upper Marlboro, and the folks have come to us, some of our neighbors and friends around here. They don't know how retirement really works. They don't understand that. We help our clients avoid costly mistakes during their retirement runs, set up the game plan like we've done, even for ourselves. We did our game plan, all right? And so that they have the peace of mind knowing that their money is safe. So if you want to know more, we can get to you a safe money kit. Not tomorrow, today. Just contact us at freeman@justaskfreeman.com.